Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. The iPhone SE may not be as well known as Apple's flagship iPhone lineup, but it made a comeback in recent years with new models arriving in 2020 and 2022. We on Amazon Black Friday promo this season. We offer the best price and deal. Please support us. I will leave the link in the description. The iPhone SE's future is less certain. Rumors and reports about if and when Apple will release an iPhone SE 4 have conflicted. Perhaps the biggest question about the iPhone SE 4 is whether it will ever exist. Cause predictions have been back and forth in recent years. In 2019, the analyst said Apple was working on an iPhone SE with a full-screen design similar to the iPhone XR. If the company is working on another iPhone SE, there's a chance it could have a 6.1-inch screen similar to Apple's modern flagship phones. The current iPhone SE, by comparison, has a 4.7-inch screen with thick black bars at the top and chin, much like the iPhone 8. Quo's February 2023 post also suggested the iPhone SE 4 could have an OLED screen instead of an LCD display, which would mark a notable step up for Apple's cheaper phone. Mac Rumors similarly reports that the next iPhone SE will have an OLED display. Fans of Apple's Touch ID fingerprint sensor may be out of luck. Mac Rumors reports that the next iPhone SE will have Face ID, like other modern iPhones, instead of Apple's fingerprint sensor. That conflicts with Quo's report from 2019, which indicated that the next iPhone SE would have a smaller notch area without Face ID and Touch ID embedded in the power button. Quo also suggested the next iPhone SE could have an Apple-made 5G chip. Still, it's hard to know if that prediction still applies since he later revised his estimate to say this device was likely an engineering prototype to test that 5G chip. Apple acquired Intel's modem business in 2019, leading to speculation that it will eventually build its own 5G modems rather than rely on Qualcomm as a supplier. Making its own chips allows Apple to maintain greater control over launch timelines and product features, an approach that has been a key part of its strategy across its major product lines. Although Apple hasn't disclosed its future plans, Qualcomm CEO Cristiano Amon told CNBC in March that he's expecting Apple to start using homegrown modems in 2024. That is it guys, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below. And if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video.